Okay guys, I'm going to fit a new woodworker's vise where I've removed my older marbles vise. I'm going to install a nice Parkinsons Perfect vise number 14. I need to make this cutout a bit bigger. I've cut the vise into the bench so that I can make replaceable 3/4 inch ply faces. That's going to go in just like that. Not like that, just like that. And I've kind of rounded over this edge badly. That will enable the block to fit tightly into the corner of the vise. I'm just going to super glue this underneath the bench here. I'm going to use a 10mm drill bit to find the centres of the holes. Once I've marked them, I'm going to come back with a 25mm drill bit so I can countersink the heads right into the bench. Haven't lined up quite as well as I thought they might, so I'm going to re-drill them from the bottom just to straighten them up a little. I've made sure the top of the vise jaws are below the top of the bench to protect any of my woodworking tools. These holes are all 20mm, so they'll accept the Black & Decker dogs. That means I can use the whole of the width of the bench for clamping. Leave a comment down below if I should add anything else, and cheers. I've made these plywood jaws to be replaceable. I may replace them later with some hardwood